Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Saania Amaan here, and today I have got to you, as promised, the soap brows. So I'm trying out this new soap brow trends, and yeah, 2021 is all about following some trends, staying at home. So if you go wrong with this, there's no harm in it because all are staying at home and you can try it and see how it goes. If it looks good on you, you can always carry on this look. This is a soap brow I'm trying without using the soap brow product. I'm using here the affordable one, which is so easy to carry on, and it stays for longer and until you wash it. So yeah, so here is a soap brow what I'm showing you. Without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to use this Pears soap, and then I'm going to use this Smashbox primer. You can use water as well, and I'm slightly making that soap wet and running that spoolie against the bar and slowly combing my hair up. Make sure you don't put too much product in the spoolie there because that's gonna make it look a little bit tacky. So I use little product on the brush and then brush it upwards according to the direction of your hair. Now the trick is not to apply too much on your brows, essentially defining all your brows, slowly transitioning to sideways so each hair get enough product in it. This is great for all kind of brows. Now once done, I'm gonna slightly press this brows with the brush end. And for defining my brows, I'm gonna use this Benifit brow pencil. I'll be linking this product in the description box below. All I'm doing is just draw in the direction of a hair. It should look like a hair-like, not to fill completely. So make sure that you fill all the sparse area of your brows neatly, just to look like you have a hair over there, making it in lines, filling it really nicely with all the gaps filled in. The point here is not to fill your brows just like we fill in normal times, like completely cover the gap with the brow shade like a brow pomade. We are not doing that. We are just taking it very lightly and filling it up lines. Once done, blend it really well with a spoolie brush which has been given with the Benifit, or you can use your own spoolie brush there. So as you can see, the extra product, whatever is there, I'm smudging it and making it look really even in both the brows there. And once done, next I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer just to give a good definition for my brows, lining underneath just to cover that gap and giving it a precise line underneath, shading my concealer and blending it really well in downward direction. Make sure that you wipe off concealer completely enough that the product shows like a highlighter on the brows there. Reason why I use this Pears soap is it has got large amount of glycerin in it, which keeps the hair intact. This cannot be done with any other soap because the glycerin amount will be less in them. So I'm doing the same method on the other side as well. As you can see, I'm trying to blend that concealer really well so that it looks really defined. Next, I'm brushing up my brows just to give that good definition and clear all that gap and sparse areas. So this is how it is. What do you feel, guys? I really love this trend, and I comment down below there because I'm feeling that there is a mixed opinion about this, especially in trying out new trend like this. It's kind of very tricky, but once you get hang of it, I don't think so you will go away from it. So brows are amazing to look because they give such a beautiful vibe on your face. Like it gives a lot of volume in your eyebrows, and also it makes your eyebrows to look much thicker. It's a perfect thing to try if your guys are having a thin brows, and you can just use this soap to make it look thicker, and it looks amazing. I'm telling you, it looks amazing. A little bit of practice for you to get used to it, because your face is gonna look a little bit different, and you're gonna feel kind of a very heavy brows on your face. But that's the trend, right? Heavy brows are awesome, and I really like this. I'm trying out this soap brows for the first time, and I just love this. Yeah, I'll be carrying on this look not on a daily basis, but sometimes when I really want to look something a little bit different, I think that's the time I would feel this soap brows will be good, and can be done for everyday look as well, unless you have a time to sit with a soap and do all this stuff. And yeah, go ahead with that. And yeah, this is what it is. I just love this, and hope you like this video. Try this out, you will definitely like it, I am sure about it. And those who are having thin brows, do try it and let me know in the comments down there whether you like this trend or not. So this is a soap brow trend. This is the first time I tried, and I love it. I'll be making more fun videos like this, trying out trends and doing things, experimenting, cooking, whatnot. Never know. My channel is all about everything, so it's all mixed content in it. So you like that kind of channel, do subscribe to me and hit the like button and also the bell icon, so that you don't miss out my videos. So see you guys for the next time. Thank you for watching, and see you. Bye.